Hi everyone, my name is Kurt Brown, and I'm a technology librarian at the Charleston County Public Library. In this video, we are going to be talking about using Twitter as a news source. So why is Twitter used as a news source? Well, it is a news-friendly social platform, and it has real-time news, so you get news in real time. It has limited characters, so there's 280 characters that one can type in each post. So you have to create text that catches attention, and journalists are really good at doing that. Twitter is used several times a day, and you can find sources that would normally be found. So the most popular news topics on Twitter are sports, technology, politics, and current events. So how can you keep up with breaking news? You can scroll through your timeline and look for news, and who you follow, so your friends, maybe coworkers, celebrities, and news pages post stories. You can click on that story that they've posted to read the entire article. You can also use the search bar in Twitter to search for topics. Journalists, especially independent journalists, use Twitter to share breaking news. You can also click or search for hashtags, so Twitter uses hashtags. And when you see an article and you want to learn more information, you can use a search engine such as Google or Bing to learn more information about it. Unfortunately, Twitter is probably one of the worst social media platforms when it comes to false news. False news travels faster on Twitter than real news. There are a lot of fake accounts on Twitter that have maybe some sort of an agenda, and the false news are posted on Twitter and other social media pages because it triggers strong emotional responses. All right, and then most Twitter users found news on Twitter that they later found was not true. So now we're going to leave this slideshow. We're going to actually hop on Twitter. Okay, so as you can see, we are on Twitter, and this is my timeline in the middle, so I can scroll down, and I can see these are all of the pages that I follow, okay, and I'm seeing their news here, and if I want to learn more, I can click here, for example, all right. Also, on this right side, we see what's happening, so what's going on, okay, and if I want to learn more, I can go ahead and click. All right, and now let's come over to this left side. So this is the home page, all right, and if I come here and click on the Explore, okay, as you can see, I can click on news depending on the topic. So if you want to learn about what's going on with the US elections, this is election season, so you can go ahead and click there, okay, and again, you can scroll down and get more news about the elections. And this here, it says live. So if we wanted to, we can click here and watch what's going on live. All right, and here is what's trending. Okay, we see what's trending on Twitter. Okay, and again, news and sports and also entertainment. Okay, so as you can see, Twitter is really good at posting news. And if we want, if I go home, let's say I want to follow Live 5 News. Okay, I want to follow Live 5 News. I'll go ahead and click follow. Okay, and now in my timeline, I will start getting news from Live 5 News. If you would like more information, assistance in finding more resources, tips on how to get the job hunting process started, or more, please reach out to us at CCPL by email, chat, or text. And here are our email and texting and phone information. Okay, we're not alone.